up, guys? AB Trades here with a breakdown on US30, right? So let's start looking here at the daily time frame just to kind of get a broad understanding of where this market is pretty much headed, right? So ever since election, which was kind of around this time over here, price just completely showed us that it just wants to be bullish completely, right? So kind of bears kind of removed themselves out the market. So now we pretty much just focus on seeing how deep this push to the upside will get to, right? So here on this daily time frame, we're going to find a few key zones, right? So we're going to grab here, let's go on here, let's grab this horizontal line, and we're going to drag this right about here. All right, cool. We got that level. Now we're going to identify another level, which is this one right down over here as well. Then from that level, we got to identify the new current levels, right? So as of right now, this were our previous higher highs as of 3 days ago. Then we came and created new ones. So we're going to identify that zone as well right around here. So boom, let's put that on there. Cool. And that's pretty much all we need to see on this daily time frame, right? Now we're going to work our way down to the 4-hour time frame. So looking at this 4-hour time frame here, we get to see more details, right? So this was that push that I was talking about on election night where price just completely pushed to the upside. Right here we could kind of tweak this a little better, put it right at boom around there. This is currently where price is currently at. We just created new all-time highs as of today. So let's look at this. Okay, that's our previous levels right there. Cool. All right, let's go over here, zoom in a little bit. All right, then here we're going to identify another key zone. So let's go in here, grab this bots rectangle right around here. Okay, cool. Then this bots, we're going to use it and drag it all the way to the right around here. So that's going to show us, okay, price reject this area of support, push to the upside. They use this new level as a support level to then push us even higher to previous all-time highs, which are right around here. Then now we retested these all-time highs as well, and now we have created new ones. Now with that being said, most likely, right? So now as we go down, let's say on an hourly time frame, now we have a high probability, because that's what trading is all about, is just high probability setups. Nothing is 100%, but as long as you're giving yourself the biggest edge, pretty much, you kind of have an advantage, right? So looking at this here, we get to identify this zone right from these highs right around here, which price currently just retested right now. So that right now is our current support, right? So price pushed up, retested this area, which were these highs right here on the left. Then from there, we have created new all-time highs. So we could even identify that right now just to kind of have it there. Boom, new all-time highs up here. Now price most likely is going to come down, retest this area of support, and two things are going to happen, right? So if you respect this area of support, so you will stay within this bullish trend, then most likely you will continue to shoot higher. All right, so here we get to find this arrow. So if we respect this area of support right here, most likely we will go create a new all-time high. Now, if we do break below that area, so if we come over here, let's find here this path right around here. Cool. So now if we come down here, break below this area of support, now we're using this area as a resistance. So that's our new ceiling pretty much. Once we break it, then from there we could see price probably, push a little deeper down, all the way down to this area of support back over here at around 44,500. Now, if this area gets respected, yes, we could potentially do another bounce back from there and go create new all-time highs, or we could break below this area and then even start doing a deeper retracement as well. Because at the end of the day, we're not just going to keep shooting up forever and never do, a major retracement to the downside. So these are the two scenarios pretty much that could be happening in this market, but it all comes down to price coming down to this first area of support right around that 44,850 area. And then whatever happens from there, whether we break to the downside below it, use it as a resistance, or if we get a bullish engulfing candle from this support and use it as, a major support, then we get that push back up to create new all-time highs. So it all really comes down to what's going to happen at this support level right here. As you guys see here, this hourly is pushing bearish right now, even as we're speaking. If I go here on a smaller time frame, let's go on a 5-minute real quick just to see this. So if you guys see it, literally as we've been speaking, price has been pushing to the downside towards this support right now. So if this support here gets respected, then we'll see that new all-time high get formed sometime soon. Now, if we break below this support, like I mentioned earlier, then most likely we will be, reaching this new area of support around 44,500. So let today be the start of better tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next breakdown. Peace.